National Retail Properties had 22 analyst reports since July 23, 2015 according to SRatingsIntel. Long Pond Capital, LP is the second biggest holder with 13 million shares now valued at $162.17 million, whilst Cohen Steers Inc. has 12 million shares valued at $180.09 million. The average Wall Street analyst rating for Retail Properties of America, Inc.is hold, according to the average of 7 analyst scores. The Real Estate Investment Trust reported 27 cents EPS for the quarter, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of 26 cents by 1 cent. National Retail Properties had a net margin of 44.17% and a return on equity of 8.22%. The firm had revenue of $137.34 million during the quarter, compared to the consensus estimate of $135.81 million. Retail Properties of America's quarterly revenue was down 6.7% compared to the same quarter a year ago. The company's revenue was down 6.7% compared to the same quarter previous year. A number of brokerages have recently issued reports on NNN. Bidders Club cut shares of Retail Properties of America from a strong buy rating to a buy rating in a research note on Saturday, September 16. Among 7 analysts covering Retail Properties of America, New York Stock Exchange RPAI, 4 have buy rating, 0 sell and 3 hold. As per Monday, June 5, the company rating was maintained by Jefferies. Finally, FBR & Company restated a buy rating and set a $52 price objective on shares of National Retail Properties in a research note on Thursday, September 7. The company now has an average rating of hold and an average target price of $15.10. The stock of Retail Properties of America Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange RPAI, earned buy rating by Citigroup on Monday, April 4. The dividend was $0.475 per share for the quarter, or $1.90 on an annualized basis. The shares were sold at an average price of $40.28 for a total transaction of $80,560. The transaction was disclosed in a document filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is accessible through the SEC website. New York Stock Exchange RPAI shares have seen a move of minus 18.98%. Nuveen Asset Management LLC owned 1.99% of National Retail Properties worth $151,661,000 as of its most recent SEC filing. FCA Corporation Texas acquired a new position in shares of National Retail Properties during the second quarter worth about $207,000. Looking back over the last month, shares have performed minus 5.55%. Comerica Bank bought a new position in shares of Retail Properties of America in the first quarter worth approximately $156,000. Following the completion of the sale, the executive vice president now owns 21,267 shares of the company's stock, valued at $856,634.76. The number of shares now owned by investors are 147.79 MLN. It also increased its holding in Alphabet Incorporated STKCLA by 16,860 shares in the quarter, for a total of 56,860 shares, and has risen its stake in Mellanox Technologies Limited SHS, Nasdaq MLNX. If you are reading this report on another publication, it was illegally copied and republished in violation of United States and worldwide copyright and trademark law. The legal version of this report can be accessed at https://www.dispatchtribunal.com/2017/10/3/Retail-of-America-Inc-to-annc quarterly sales of $131.78 million.html. The most recent non-open market insider trade was completed by Heath R. Fear on 8/18/2017 and was a disposition of 3,524 shares with a final price of $13.08. National Retail Properties has a 12-month low of $36.13 and a 12-month high of $53.60. The stock has a market capitalization of $2.82 billion, a P/E ratio of 15.49, and a beta of 0.44. The 50-day moving average went down -89 cents or -6.75%, and the 200-day average moved down -77 cents. Announces fourth quarter 2017 dividend on October 26, 2017. The days to cover decreased to 1.0, and the percentage of shorted shares was 0.01% on September 29. National Retail Properties dividend payout ratio is 142.86%. National Retail Properties Incorporated is a real estate investment trust, REIT. The company owns and operates shopping centers located in the United States. Its retail operating portfolio includes neighborhood and community centers, power centers, and lifestyle centers and multi-tenant retail-focused mixed-use properties, as well as single-user retail properties.